Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pancakes from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, and 1 large egg. Also, have ready 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. A pinch of salt will enhance the flavors. Having everything measured out makes the process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Now let's create that perfect pancake batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, lightly beat the egg, then stir in the milk and melted butter. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes. A slightly lumpy batter is actually ideal for a fluffy texture, so don't worry about perfection. It's time to cook our pancakes to golden perfection. Heat a non-stick griddle or pan over medium-low heat. Lightly grease the surface with a tiny bit of butter or oil. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, leaving some space between them. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side until bubbles appear and the edges look set. Then, flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until beautifully golden brown. Finally, the best part, serving and enjoying your delicious pancakes. Serve them warm, right off the griddle for the best experience. Classic toppings include rich maple syrup and a handful of fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries. You could also add a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or even some chocolate chips. These homemade pancakes are perfect for a delightful breakfast or a special brunch. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.